Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the calculator's mode menu. Press mode or setup immediately after power on so you don't lose context. Once the menu appears, scan for DEC, fix, psi, or float. These control decimal display. You want DEC or fix to set places and psi for scientific notation. Make sure to use arrow keys or numeric shortcuts shown on screen. If your calculator shows a 2-column menu, choose the Display Settings column. This directs you to the exact option you must change next. Now select the display type. Pick Fix to force a set number of decimal places. This is the only way to lock digits. Once you press Fix, type the digit for how many places you want, 2, 3, 4, etc. And confirm with Enter or equals. If you prefer exponential output, switch to psi and pick the exponent format, but remember, that changes notation, not decimal digits. Once done, the calculator will immediately apply the new formatting to results. Finish by confirming the change. Perform a simple test calculation such as 1/3 or 2. 5 plus 0. 75 to see decimal behavior. If the output isn't what you expected, return to mode and reselect Fix with the desired digit, because a wrong menu choice is the most common mistake. If settings revert after power off, perform a factory reset or check the manual. Additionally, make sure battery power or firmware isn't preventing saves. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.